Hey guys, it's Rhonda here. How's everybody doing? Now it's been a little bit of a while since I've been in here live, but I wanted to come in here and give you guys all a tip for Tip Tuesday, right? So I don't know if you guys have noticed your stories. Have your story views gone kind of down? Well, I can tell you why. That's because right now, Facebook is really pushing Reels. They're pushing Reels. That is their biggest thing right now are the Reels, right? So stories have gone down in the views. That's absolutely normal. But my tip today that I want to share with you is a little tip on how to get those views to go up a little bit. Now, I've been experimenting with this for the past week, and it definitely works. So on Facebook, I do find that they want you to use whatever they put out, right? They want you posting, they want you using Reels, they want you using stories. They want you doing it all. That's how you get more views and they send more people to you. So with stories, with the views going down, this is my tip of the day, and this has been working for me the past week. This is what you want to do. They are going to reward you for watching stories, right? Now, we don't all want to sit there and watch stories all day, right? We're already posting and commenting, engaging. So how do you do that without wasting a lot of time? Because we don't want to spend all day on social media. So here's my tip of the day. Hey, Carrie, nice to see you. All you want to do when you jump in the shower, put your phone on stories and just hit play, and you just let it run through. And it's going to look like you are watching all those stories continuously. And that's going to give Facebook's algorithm, they're going to think that you are now watching all these stories, which is what they want. They want you on the platform. They want you watching. They want you engaging. They want you using their platform. You can do anything else. If you're cutting the grass, if you're doing dishes, if you're making dinner, throw your stories on and just let your phone run through wherever if you're charging it or whatever. Do that a couple times a day while you're doing these, tasks when you're not using your phone, whatever you're doing for the day, laundry, dishes, taking a walk with your dog. Have your phone doing that. And you're going to start to notice that your story views are going to go up because the algorithm is now thinking that you are watching all these stories. So this is my tip of the day to get those story views up again. Because Facebook once again has really been pushing the Reels. So that's why you see those views going up and story views have gone down. But this is a great way to get those story views up away and not waste any more of your time. If you like this tip, let me know below, and I'll try to do more of these Tip Tuesdays. All right, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon.